me, Samrat,
And I, Sara.
and the students of class 8C welcome you all to witness a special assembly on Raksha Bandhan.
Now, before starting the event, let us pray to the Almighty and seek the blessings.
Thank you.
नमामि ते गजाननम् अनन्तमोददायकं समस्तविघ्नहारकं समस्तघविनाशकं मुदाकरं सुखाकरं मम प्रियगणाधिपं नमामि ते विनायकं हृदकमलनिवासिनं नमामि ते गजाननम् अनन्तमोददायकम्
Now, I would like to take the pride to welcome our Honorable Principal Ma'am Dr. Rehanu Sahgal. She is known for administration and high achievements of the institution. We welcome you, ma'am.
I would like to welcome our headmistress, Ms. Suhani Daur. She is a dynamic personality. She is working towards connecting young minds to strive towards success and achievement. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sara. Thank you, Lakshmi. All the very best. I'm wishing each and everyone
I would
very, very happy Raksha Bandhan.
I would also like to welcome our senior CCA in charge, Ms. Mukta Kohli ma'am. She is an inspiration and always guide and motivate us towards the right path.
Thank you,
We
Samrat.
welcome you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Samrat. And wishing you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan and all the best for your assembly.
I would also like to welcome all the in charges, HODs, and teachers. The day begins with a beautiful thought. So I would like to call Kavya Goyal for the thought.
Brothers are like street lights along the road of life. They light up our path and make the walk worthwhile. I repeat, brothers are like street lights along the road of life. They light up our path and make the walk worthwhile. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavya, for the beautiful thought. Samrat, do you know why is Raksha Bandhan celebrated?
Yes, I know a little bit. I heard a story behind it. So now I would like to call Advita and Yashvi to showcase a story.
The festival of Raksha Bandhan has its roots right in the epic of Mahabharata. Shri Krishna had an aunt named Shrutashrava. She gave birth to a deformed child called Shishupala. The elders had predicted that Shishupala would be killed by the same person whose touch will bring him back to normality. One day, Shri Krishna came to visit his aunt. As Shrutashrava put her son in the hands of Shri Krishna, the child turned normal. Though Shrutashrava was happy to look at her son, she feared that he would be killed by Krishna. She pleaded Krishna to pardon her son's mistakes, even if the situation comes where Shishupala should be punished. Shri Krishna was moved by his aunt's plea and said, I will pardon him for 100 misdeeds he commits. But if he crosses the marks of 100 mistakes, then Shishupala would certainly be punished. Shishupala grew up to become the king of Cheti kingdom, but he was very cruel and brutal by nature. He used to torture people in his kingdom and he fought with Krishna very often. One day, Shishupala started to abuse Krishna before the whole court. That was it. Shishupala had crossed the limit of 100 mistakes, and so did the patience of Sri Krishna. Krishna aimed his Sudarshan Chakra at Shishupala and cut his neck. But while Krishna was charging the Sudarshan Chakra, he cut his finger and it started to bleed. Everyone around Krishna rushed to bring something to tie on the wound. But Draupadi, who was standing there, did not hesitate to tear a piece from her sari and wrap it around the wound. That day, Sri Krishna declared Draupadi as his sister and promised to protect her and save her when in trouble. This incident has led to the festival of Raksha Bandhan. In later times, Sri Krishna kept his promise by saving Draupadi when the Kauravas tried to insult her. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashvi and Advita. That was really informative. Now let's hear a beautiful song sung by Riddhi and Meher.
आज राखी का त्योहार है, आज राखी का त्योहार, आज राखी का त्योहार है, आज राखी का त्योहार। सुबह सुबह होकर तैयार, आओ मनाए साथ साथ। सुबह सुबह होकर तैयार, आओ मनाए साथ साथ। आज राखी का त्योहार है, आज राखी का त्योहार, आज राखी का त्योहार है, आज राखी का त्योहार। हम सब प्यारी प्यारी बहनें अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहने, हम सब प्यारी प्यारी बहनें अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहने। लेकर थाली सजी सजाई जिसमें राखी और मिठाई, लेकर थाली सजी सजाई जिसमें राखी और मिठाई। जाते हैं भैया के पास, जाते हैं भैया के पास, मन में प्यार भरे हैं आज। आज राखी का त्योहार है, आज राखी का त्योहार, आज राखी का त्योहार है, आज राखी का त्योहार।
Meher. Now I would like to call Advita, Yashvi and Sara for a dance performance.
भैया मुझसा ना कोई अपना, संग मेरे यूं ही रहना तू। ओ भैया मेरे भैया, संग मेरे ज्यादा हंसना, कभी थोड़ा रूठ लेना तू। छोटा है तू कभी, कभी मुझसे तू बड़ा, पापा जैसा तू कभी दोस्त मेरा।
Yashvi, and Sara for a wonderful performance.
As we all know that to celebrate Raksha Bandhan, we need Rakhi. But it is unsafe to go out and buy Rakhi in these COVID times. So I would like to call Kavya Shevya Garg for Rakhi making.
Hello everyone, it's me Shevya. So today I'm gonna tell you that how we can make Rakhi since we all know that we can't go to buy Rakhi. So let's start. The materials required are one simple circle, glue, 3 paper fans and paste it in a form of circle with a base and decorative circle and one ribbon. So let's start. First, we have to paste this here in the between. So let's paste it. Paste it like this. After pasting, turn it and you have to paste this simple circle for the base of the ribbon. Now you have to turn it like this and paste this decorative circle in the between. And yes, you can see the Rakhi is ready. Thank you. Hope you like it and happy Raksha Bandhan.
Thank you, Chef. Brothers and sisters are like magnets. They like to call Shashti of brothers and sisters.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shristi Singhal. Today, I am going to recite a poem on the festival of Raksha Bandhan. रक्षा बंधन प्रेम का, खुशियों का त्योहार, रिश्ता भाई बहन का, प्रीत भरा संसार, निर्झर धागा प्रेम का, झलक रहा है प्यार, रक्षा बंधन गाल लगे शुभ सुंदर त्योहार, राखी रिश्ता प्रेम का अनुपम है उपहार, स्वाप स्नेह अनुराग का सुंदर यह त्योहार, भाई बसा विदेश में 7 समुंदर पार, बहनों को फीका लगे राखी का त्योहार, भाई करते बहनों के पूरे हर अरमान, दोनों के दिल में बसे एक दूजे की जान, रंग बिरंगी राखियों भावों से भरपूर, हिंसा नफरत द्वेष को करो दिलों से दूर। धन्यवाद and wish you all a happy Raksha Bandhan.
Thank you, Shrishti. Now I would like to call Vansh Agrawal to enlighten us with some more information on Raksha Bandhan.
Good morning. Today I'll be talking about Raksha Bandhan, popular Hindu festival. Raksha Bandhan is a traditional Hindu ceremony celebrating the love between brothers and sisters. It is celebrated on the full moon day during the Shravan month of the Hindu lunar calendar. It is a bond of protection or care and strengthens the bond between brothers and sisters. Raksha Bandhan is mainly celebrated in the northern, central, and western regions of India. Different people of different regions associate different stories with Raksha Bandhan. 2 such stories are displayed here. Customs and traditions. The ritual is started with a prayer in front of the gods. The sister ties the rakhi around the brother's wrist while chanting mantras, wishing him happiness and well-being. The brother in return gives her a present and promises to protect his sister under all circumstances. Social aspect. Did you know that the tradition of Raksha Bandhan is not only limited to brothers and sisters, since armed force, security, and police personnel cannot leave their duty to visit their sisters, local women tie rakhi to them. The delicacies made on Raksha Bandhan are samosa, shakkarpari, namakpari, and ghevar, while the main sweets are halwa, kheer, and puri. This year, Raksha Bandhan is falling on the 22nd of August. I wish you all a happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you.
Thank you, Vansh, for enlightening us with some information on Raksha Bandhan. Now I would like to invite Suhani ma'am to say.
Thank you, Samrat, and thank you, students of grade 8C. I think it was a very, very delightful and informative assembly presented by each one of you. The effort put in by our children, the technical aspect of it was clearly visible. It gives me, I really feel so happy and proud when I see our students presenting assemblies of such beautiful caliber, meaning that from the technical point of view, we've really grown up. Well, as beautifully depicted by students of grade 8C, I hope we all have understood the meaning of this festival, which we have been celebrating since our childhood. I really like the way Sarah tied the Rakhi to her little brother while dancing. That was a very beautiful aspect of it. Well done. And after once depicting the story of Raksha Bandhan, beautifully depicted. I hope we all have understood. Well, children, it is a festival of love, care, and bonding. I hope you understand the meaning of the word Raksha Bandhan. It's a Sanskrit word, as they say. Raksha means protection, and Bandhan means to tie a knot of protection. So, Raksha Bandhan is basically, it is not just the siblings, brothers, and sisters, it is the protection of the entire fraternity, as said that girls and women are tying Rakhi to the president and the prime minister. Girls are tying Rakhi to the personnel of defense forces, army, navy, police, BSF. So it is basically this particular bond which matters the most. Of course, in the house we have brother, sister, we fight also, but internally we all love and care for each other. So keeping this happy note in mind, I really congratulate the students of grade 8C for beautifully presenting the assembly under the guidance and leadership of their class teacher, Deepa ma'am. Though we preponed the assembly, yet it is presented beautifully. And I wish each and everyone present here a very, very happy Raksha Bandhan. So enjoy your 3 days holidays. Tomorrow we are celebrating, we have the blessings of Muharram tomorrow, and Saturday and Sunday we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Thank you and congratulations to all the students of grade C, 8C and Deepa ma'am. Thank you, child. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Here we are at the end of the event. I find this opportunity to thank each and everyone who joined and became the part of the assembly.